Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what are their current feelings and energies towards you. So you have special someone in your life and you want to know what they are thinking and feeling right now about you. So we will ask spirits and angels whether what your person is thinking and feeling about you. Okay, so these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Please take whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so today we have four piles here. Pile number one, this green heart. Pile two, yellow heart. Pile three, red heart. And pile four, white heart. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile and you can meditate on the pile if you are confused. And please make sure that you will select one pile for one person only. Okay, so you cannot select one pile for two people. Okay, so you can see this reading for your wife, husband, or your lover, crush, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, whoever it is. So you can see this reading. Okay, so if you like my readings and content, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. I could not post the videos for a couple of days. I was a little busy with my children personal things like my daughter's photo shoot and all. So I was a little busy with my children activities. That's why I couldn't post the videos. But that is the reason I'm taking four piles today. So that will be a bonus for you. So you will be more you have more things to select. Okay, four piles I'm keeping, so you can choose any one or two or three, whatever it is you can choose. Okay, that's all. Then without wasting much time, let us start the reading from pile number one. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. What are their current feelings towards you? Let's ask spirits and angels, what are their current feelings towards you? Your specific someone. What are their current feelings towards you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 1 people? What are their current feelings towards my pile 1 people? So already one card is there, that is 8 of Pentacles, 5 of Wands, Temperance, 7 of Wands. Bottom of the deck we have the Knight of Swords. Okay, let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 1 people? What are their my pile 1 people's person's feelings towards my viewer? What are their current feelings towards my viewer? Please give us some guidance and clarity. 6 of Moons, 10 of Moons, Fortune Wheel, Judgment, 2 of Pentacles. Okay, hope you all can see the cards. Let me arrange a little bit. Okay, so the signs I can see here are all the fixed signs like Leo, Aquarius. Somehow I'm getting Sagittarius also because Temperance card is there. That's the reason. So it can be Sagittarius, Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio. Okay, and I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and some of you will have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini also. Okay, almost all the signs are there because it is general reading. So this person, whoever you are thinking about, they are working hard on their finances right now because maybe they are getting ready to reunite with you because all cards are very positive cards here. So definitely they are working on their finances right now to meet you, and I can see that this person might be your childhood friend. Okay, childhood friend, classmate, college mate, or your colleague, So you know this person from childhood, and yeah, they must be your friend. Okay, so if not a childhood friend, but they are just your friend. But this is unconfessed love, I feel. So this person definitely, they entered in your life when you are in some kind of a battle, some kind of a struggle going on, or maybe for some of you I'm getting the message that maybe you were in a deep trouble, maybe in your personal life or professional life or finances, whatever it may be. You were in a trouble when this person entered into your life. That means childhood, when you were friends. After that, you both parted apart, departed, like they went in their own life and you continued your own life, because you were just friends. Okay, there was no love or anything like that, and in childhood you were just friends. So this person came back into your life when you have some issues in your life, something you are going through. So the time this person came into your life and gave lot of mental support, or gave lot of advices, or gave lot of strength to your situation. So okay, so that is the reason you have very good feelings towards this person. And they definitely, I can see that they did not express their love towards you, but you can see that, you can feel it. Okay, the way they behave, the way they talk. And for some of you, you might have not seen this person also, not met after reunion. Okay, so I can feel that this person might be staying far away from you, maybe different state, city, or country. So definitely you both have completed one cycle, and then again this person came back into your life. Okay, when you were in trouble or when you were in a problem. Then this person had lot of disagreements with you, or with other friends, or some I can see so many people fighting, like same age people. Maybe they feel that they have lot of competition in this connection. Maybe you are very good looking, and you have lot of suitors, and a lot of people are behind you. So this person was little insecure. They were feeling that okay, I cannot win in this situation. This person has lot of suitors, and they don't know how you feel about them. Okay, so they were feeling like kind of imbalanced connection, because they feel that they are showing lot of love towards you, and you are not reciprocating or not receiving their love. For some of you, if they have proposed also, you might have said, no, no, we are just friends, I never saw you in that angle, or something like that. For some very few of you. Okay, so they are feeling that it is, this connection is not balanced at that particular time. So then they went into a quite defensive energy, and after that you don't talk to this person that much. Okay, after whatever talks happened, whatever disagreements happened, and then you stop talking to them, or they stop talking to you, or they went to other place, and you both are in no communication. For some of you, you had a fight also, and this person, what they want to tell you is, they want to stop these kind of fights. They want to make you understand how exactly they feel for you, and how, what they want to tell you. Because a knight of swords is an action card. Definitely they want to take an action, they want to come towards you as soon as possible, very fast. They want to come towards you, and they want to clarify everything. So whatever misunderstanding happened between you, whatever problems happened between you, so they want to clarify, they want to come as soon as possible, and they want to clear the things. This can convert into a fight also, because the other person is coming in some kind of anger. Okay, that other person is coming with little anger, or frustration. Okay, maybe you ignored them, you were not talking to them, you were not texting, or no, nothing. So that is the reason that person might be little upset with you. So they want to come towards you. Definitely they want to come towards you, and they want to clarify things. Okay, that's what they want to tell you. And also they want to say that they are juggling with two things or two people. So please take it however it resonates. If the other person is already married, or they have some other connection, so they are dealing with two things. Otherwise, if that other person has nobody else in their life, then they are juggling with their finances and this connection also. So two of pentacles is there. That is the reason they are this is also kind of imbalanced card. So you both properly didn't understand each other. You both didn't talk together clearly, and you didn't express your feelings definitely not clearly. So this person definitely want to come back, and they want to they are seeing a union with you. They want to reconcile with you. Definitely 10 of cups is there, so this person want to marry you. Okay, they want to have a beautiful life with you. They want to spend life with you. They want to have children with you. Okay, so definitely they want to have a reconciliation. If for some of you, you are looking for your husband or wife or your spouse, so they definitely they are reminiscing the past memories that you had with them. So they can't forget you. They are again and again thinking about the past memories. They want to build a beautiful castle, beautiful home with you. So there is it's a house. When you are not there, when you come, it will become a lovely home, because you will make them happy and make them alive. That's what they feel. They are missing that in their life without you. So definitely they want to have the reconciliation. They want to have judgment. Somehow they feel that it was not fair with them. Whatever happened with them, it was not fair. So they were feeling they want the judgment in their life. They want definitely judgment. So they want to reconcile with you, and they want to talk to you. They want to clarify things with you. That's what I can see. And they are quite defensive. They are feeling that they have not done anything wrong, but still you misunderstood them. Okay, so this person might come in 5 days or 7 days or weeks. Okay, I don't see months and all. This person wants to come as soon as possible. Okay, maybe in the month of January they might come back to you definitely. Because the endings are showing. So this is year ending, right? So definitely they want to come towards you. Maybe they will come by end of this year or next year in the month of January. Definitely they want to come, because wherever I see, I can see XX. That means maybe it is a month, October month, you met both of them. Both of you met each other in the month of October, or any one of your birthday might be there. So 10 is very prominent for you, or 10 might be your birthday or their birthday date. Okay, please take it however it resonates. Now we will see the messages from your person. Spirits and angels, please give us their messages for my viewers. Let us see the first one. I will free myself soon to be with you. This distance is killing me. So definitely, as I told you, the world card is there. Wheel of Fortune card is there. And I forgot to tell you, mention one thing. This Wheel of Fortune also says that the time is turning into your favor. So the time has come. All the whatever you are waiting for all these days or months or years. So the time has come that this person is coming towards you. Now the fortunate time is entering into your life. So be happy. Okay, so let us see what else they want to say. Everything in my life is changing right now. Wait for me, please. So they are asking you to wait for them. I love you. I'm not good at expressing feelings. Okay, as I told you, this is unconfessed love for some of you. Let us pull some more. This distance is killing me. So definitely this can be emotional distance or physical distance. Definitely this distance is killing them. Everywhere I go, I picture you being there with me. So definitely they are living with you only in their memories, in their thought process. I'm sorry for ghosting you. I feel like such a coward for not being honest with you. Okay, so definitely this person might have ghosted you. There is no communication, as I told you earlier. So that is why now they are feeling bad and regretting about their past deeds. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Pile number 1. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what your person want to say. What are their current feelings towards you? Let me pull cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 2 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 2 people? What are their current feelings? Three of Swords, Death, King of Wands, Ace of Wands. So one more card. Okay, the Fool. Let me pull some more cards for you. What are their current feelings towards my pile 2 people? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 2 people? Five of Swords, Six of Pentacles, the Lady, Prince. Bottom of the deck we have Fortune Wheel. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Okay, the signs I can see here are very specific, like Scorpio. I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then Leo, Aquarius, Scorpio. Yes, Taurus also. Yeah, that's all. Very few of you will have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, but mostly I can see only Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, so you or your person might be fire signs. Please make a note. Okay, so this person, whoever you are asking about, they are heartbroken. They are constantly thinking about the past, whatever happened between you, because they are feeling that their heart is broken and they are backstabbed, or they were betrayed. That kind of negative emotions they are having, and also they feel that this connection is dead, they're done, like there is nothing they can do in this connection. So for some of you, I feel that this you met this person online, or in the office space. Okay, when you were at office in a same project, maybe you are working. So this person definitely feels that you because I can see king and queen in the same spread. So maybe for some of you, you might be already married to this person and you are looking for your husband or wife, because king and queen cards are there in the same spread. Okay, so this person looks at you like mother or father of their children. Definitely they see future with you, and already they have accepted you as their partner. If you are not already married to this person, they have already viewing you as their partner. They're thinking about you like their own partner, life partner. So definitely their love is very very stable. It is not like flirting or something else. Their love is very real and very uh, trustworthy person. This person is, and they have lot of attraction, lot of passion towards you. They want to have a very intimate time with you, because they are highly attracted towards you. They are looking at you like a very powerful person. Okay, mother of their children, as I told you already. So they are looking at you. You have all the power to make it or break it. So they see that you can do anything once you left their life, and there is nothing left in their life. So they are just living for the sake of living, but they don't have any fortunate days in their life. Everything is ended. That's what they feel. That's why they feel that it is heartbroken. Maybe there is a third party also I can see in this situation. Maybe from your side, or from their side, there is third party. That is the reason this person is feeling heartbroken. They are feeling that you have betrayed them, or you have done something behind their back which is not right for them. But still they want to start a new beginning with you, new passionate new beginning. So they want to take a risk in this connection. Maybe this connection is not approved by the society, or not approved by your family or their family, but still they want to keep everything in God's hands, and they want to proceed ahead towards you. They want to take a risk. They want to take a leap of faith. Till now you both were waiting actually. So you were waiting for that person to communicate, or the other person was waiting for you to communicate. But now they want to take action because the Fool card is there. So they want to take a risk. They don't know what will happen, what you are thinking, what you will do, or what will happen when if you both reconcile. But still they don't want to think about anything. Just they want to follow their heart, and they want to follow their gut instinct, and they want to come towards you. And also this Wheel of Fortune is confirming that, it is confirming that now it is a right time to enter into a new phase, new life, to start a new beginning. Because we have the Ace of Wands also, and Wheel of Fortune also. So definitely this upcoming time, now whatever time you are in, definitely it will be very very fortunate to start a new life. Okay. And also this Five of Swords is there. Definitely this person is very much in defensive energy still. Okay. So even if they come, this reunion will happen with a fight, because they want to win it, even though they can't live without you. But they want to come, but at the same time they don't want to show that they are vulnerable, or they don't want to say that they are anything less than you. So definitely they are coming towards you with a fight, with an argument, or with a clarification. They might fight that why you did like that, whatever you have done in the past. They might come with anger or rage. They might ask that why you have spoiled my life, why you ruined my life, why you betrayed me, something like that. Energies I'm feeling, and those messages I'm getting here. So definitely they want to have a reunion with you. They want to do a lot of charity work, spiritual works. Even I feel that whoever chose this pile, you both are really spiritual. So you believe in God, and you want to do the spiritual works, maybe going to temple, or doing meditation, whatever it is, spiritually, intellectually, you both are. So definitely this person want to have that kind of a life with you. They want to do lot of good things in the society along with you. That is the reason they want to come towards you. They are not feeling that this separation is not a big separation. They are feeling that anyways you both will be together. But at the same time they feel that this connection is already ended, but how to come towards you. But still they are feeling loyal to you, even though they are separated from you. They are not looking at anybody. They are not dating anybody. They are still feel that you both are bound to be together. So that is why they want to come towards you with a lot of passion, or like teenage energy, teenage vibes. Their feeling is very young. When they think about you, they feel so young, and they want to have some flirty conversation with you. They want to play with you. They want to make you feel little angry. Then they will say, oh, I'm sorry. So they are little playful energy. The Prince of Wands is there. But definitely I can say this person is very determined, and they want to achieve this goal to come towards you. Maybe for some of you, you might be pregnant also. If you are already married to this person, you might be pregnant also. Okay, whoever is the viewer, for some of you I'm getting this message. So that is the reason they want to reconcile. They want to have a beautiful life with you. Maybe for some of you, they might have seen some death in their family. That is also one of the reason they are not coming towards you, or they are not well. But death and rebirth, so definitely now whatever is dead in the past in your relationship, now it is again taking a rebirth. Slowly the feelings are growing in that person's hearts, and definitely they want to come towards you. They want to take a risk. Okay, very nice reading, pile number 2. So now let us see what are their messages towards you, handwritten messages, what they want to say to you. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity, what they want to say. See, they want to say so many things. 2 cards flew away. Let me take the cards, friends. Okay. Seeing you happy, all that I want. I love you. Very nice. You are my wish come true. Please accept me. So they are not sure whether you will accept them or not. I want to get back together with you. I miss you so much. Okay, as I told you already, they miss you, and they want to have the life like in the past. We are not done. There is unfinished business between us. Okay, even though the death card is there, so they are saying that it is not done. So we have unfinished business. You have changed a lot. Maybe you are not messaging that person or ignoring that person, so they are feeling that you have changed a lot. The timing just was not right for us. I want to feel the same way again. Okay, the messages are very clear. So I'm so happy for this reading. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you like this reading. That's all. See you all in the next reading. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. So let us see what are their current feelings towards you and this connection. What are their current feelings? For my pile number 3, spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the current feelings towards my pile 3 people? King of Swords, Five of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. Bottom of the deck we have Four of Pentacles. So let me pull some more cards for you. What are their current feelings? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 3 people? Apprentice, the Star, Ace of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and Nine of Cups. Okay, first let me tell you the signs I see here. I can see the signs here are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and very few of you will have the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Then yeah, few of you will have Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. So what I can see from this spread in this pile, that your person is very like introvert. They don't want to share their feelings towards you. They did not express their love towards you, or they are very materialistic. They are very busy in earning money or stabilizing their finances right now. So they want to save lot of money, maybe for the future, maybe for the future together. So this person is busy in making money, but definitely they see you as their wish fulfillment. They see that they are very much single right now. They don't have anybody in their life, and they see you as their wish fulfillment. And also they see that you are very much very freedom lover, very abundant. You have everything in your life, very confident, independent person. You are very beautiful. You have money, you have job, you have everything in your life. Whoever you want, you can get in your life. That's what they feel. So they think that why you will choose them. For some of you, I feel that this person is a divorced person, single mom or a single dad, or this person is going through divorce right now. So they are into a very inner conflict. They have lot of inner conflict, or they have some fights between other people also. Maybe it can be in their personal life or a professional life. There is lot of competition in their life right now. So that means it can be like a lot of competition for you in this connection. Maybe you have lot of suitors, or many people are proposing you, many matches are coming for you, and this person is not able to uh, come into that race, because this person is very highly influenced person, I feel, and this person is very strong person. At the same time, they're a little stubborn, and they want to do the things in their own way. They don't want to listen to you. They want to do in their own way, because they have self confidence. They feel that they know everything, and they can't compete with all these people for you. So that is the reason they didn't express their love. They are just keeping quiet and they are observing you. And they want to make things in their own favor. They want to control you, control your mind. Maybe they are playing mind games. This person is little manipulative also. Maybe they are doing some things behind your back which you don't know, but definitely they are keeping an eye on you, and they are busy in earning money also. Right now they are busy making their finances stable, or they might have started some new venture, new business or new job, or this person is learning some new things, or maybe undergoing to new training to update themselves. And this person also might be little far away from you, maybe long distance relationship. And they see you as a star. As I told you already, you are a very independent person. So they see you as a star, or maybe you are really a celebrity, maybe you are famous in your circle, maybe you are famous in social media. So they see you like a star. They are like they have a hope that it will happen, but at the same time they feel that you are very far away from you and they can't achieve you because you are so beautiful. So many people are behind you. Why you will consider this person? That is what their feeling is, because they are not expressive, they are not romantic, I feel. They are little straightforward. They do everything in their own way. They don't follow the society rules or norms. So there are two new start cards, Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. They want to start a new beginning with you. They want to have a new life with you. They want to share their cup of love with you, and they want to have passionate relationship with you, because Ace of Wands is a passionate new beginning. So they want to start a life with you, new life with you. Okay, that is what is their wish actually. So they see you as definitely, as I told you, their wish fulfillment. So nobody can replace you, nobody can be in your place, because you are such a beautiful person in their opinion. Okay, so definitely they want to come towards you. And if at all it is unconfessed love, they want to have a new beginning, but I can't see any action from their side. They are just wishing, they are just feeling, they are just thinking, but there is no action in their life right now, as of now. Maybe later when we see the energies, maybe the energies might change, but their current feelings, they are not taking any action. But still they have this in their mind. They want to have a new life with you. Okay, let us see the messages from your person, what they want to tell you right now. What are their feelings, what they want to tell you right now. So let us see, spirits and angels. We are soulmates. Okay, they feel that you both are soulmates. Yes, my love for you is real, never doubt it. Okay, because they didn't express their love, they are saying yes, my love is real. This time I will do things right, please trust me. So they want to rectify the mistakes that they have done in the past. I made the wrong decision, I can't stop kicking myself, please forgive me. They are asking to forgive them. I am working on my finances for our better future. As I told you already, they are definitely working on their finances. I feel helpless. I want to be with you, but I can't, because as I told, maybe they are in a long distance relationship. They are long distance to you. That is the reason they are feeling helpless. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 3. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this white heart, this reading is for you. Let us see what your person is feeling right now for you and this connection. What are their current feelings towards my pile 4 people? What are their current feelings towards my pile 4 people? What are their current feelings towards my pile 4 people? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. King of Swords, King of Wands, 3 of Swords, Death, Strength. Let me pull some more cards for you. What are their current feelings towards you? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their current feelings towards my pile 4 people? Ace of Wands, Pope, Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Okay, these cards are similar to pile 3. If you want, you can see pile 3 also. Okay, so the signs I can see here are Leo is very prominent here, Scorpio is very prominent. I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Very few of you will have Cancer, Pisces, Virgo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also. Okay, that's all I can see here. So your person is single right now, and they are keeping up the strength. Somehow I can see two kings here. I don't know how it can resonate with you. Maybe there is a third party situation here, because Three of Swords also is there. Maybe you are already married and this person wants to have connection with you, or maybe they are married and going through the divorce, because I can see one person is divorced in these two kings. One person is divorced and one person is very passionately waiting for you. One is young and one is little older than you. Okay, because two kings are there, that's what I feel. So whoever you are looking for this reading, okay, they feel that you are a very strong personality and you both are soulmates. Okay, so they are keeping up the strength in their life and in this connection. So they are waiting for you very patiently. They feel that even though there is third party situation, their heart is broken, the connection is dead, but they still hope that you will come back to them, because the death card is there. That means it is already ended. Maybe you married somebody else, you left this person and married somebody else, other person, but still this person is waiting for you. They are still having a hope that you will come back to them. So definitely they are crying and they have this kind of betrayal feeling. You betrayed them. They are having lot of regret, lot of pain in their life right now. But I can see they are single. They don't have anybody in their life, and they are waiting for you to come back to them. Okay, and also they are feeling that somehow this connection should regrow. It should take a rebirth. That is what they are hoping and they are praying for. And they also feel that they are very quite defensive, I can feel. They feel that they have not done anything wrong. They are asking God or universe. They are saying that when I have not done anything wrong, why I am getting this punishment in my life? Why I am not able to reunite with my the person whom I like? So they are having lot of this issues, like they are not taking this how can I say, they are not able to accept this defeat. If you have left that other person, they are not able to accept this defeat in their life, and they want to have a new passionate beginning with you, definitely, because Ace of Wands is there and they are determined to get you. Okay, so definitely they want to come towards you and they want to get you. So there are two ways to look into this connection. So they are feeling that you are their wish fulfillment, and they are also saying that you are very independent person, very strong personality, because strength card is there, Nine of Pentacles card is there. You are freedom lover, independent, you have everything in your life, you are beautiful, you have money, you have the power, you have the powerful job. Maybe the viewer also, I feel that maybe 29-30 years old, somehow I'm getting this message. So one person is a little older in your life in this connection. Other person, maybe you are married to the other person. Okay, so definitely this person is waiting for the union, reconciliation, and they are waiting patiently, and they are not taking it as a defeat. They want to fight for you, fight for this connection. There is a lot of anger, lot of resentment, lot of frustration. Okay, so they don't want to take it up. They are somehow they want to get it. Maybe they'll fight for you, maybe they will trick you, manipulate you. They have all these kind of qualities. They have, somehow or the other they want to get you. That's what is their main wish fulfillment, main wish. Okay, because you are the right person for them, and they have imagined you as their life partner, and they don't want to go back for any cost. So if you are leaving them also, they might want to come back to you in a very angrily, or they want to come towards you in a rage, with the rage and with the courage. They want to come towards you, and they want to get you. Okay, they want to get you, they want to take away with them. They are coming with all the planning, all the they have done all the arrangements for this, and they want to come towards you. And they are definitely thinking about you, they are spying on you, they are checking your use, your activities, they are checking you in your social media. And they are quite determined. Maybe they are very in a high post, or maybe military, army, or some kind of a very powerful position where all the people respect them. Okay, that is the reason they don't want to do anything very foolishly, or without any thinking or planning. So that is the reason they are taking their own time to make the plan perfectly. It should work perfectly. And they are also feeling that if they message you or call you, they don't know how you will react to them. For some of you, you might have blocked this person also, so they don't want to take that insult, because they take it into their heart. They feel that is insult. If they message you, don't reply to them, definitely they will take it as a big insult. They have a lot of ego and ego problems, and also very prideful person, because they are very capable person. That is the reason they are very prideful. They are very reserved, decent. They are not kind of a flirty nature, they don't have that. But somehow they are very much attracted towards you. They want to have physical intimacy. They want to get you into their life back. Okay, those are all the messages I'm getting here. And definitely they want to come towards you, they want to take action, but it might take some time. They might not come so fast, but they feel that you both are soulmates, and this is destined connection. Okay, let us see what messages they want to tell you, what messages they want to say. Spirits and angels, messages from their person, please. I'm so sorry I took you for granted. I didn't understand my feelings in the past. Okay, they might have not expressed their feelings. We are about to reunite. We are twin flames. Okay, as I said, it is soulmates or twin flames. So that is the reason they are saying that you both will reunite. I lied to you, and I don't deserve someone like you. Okay, they are feeling guilty for whatever they have done in the past. Soon I will contact. There is so much I want to tell you. I am on my way. So they are coming. Everywhere I go, I picture you being there with me. They are thinking you and feeling as a life partner. Everything in my life is changing right now. Wait for me, please. That is why I told it will take some time. They are ready. They will come towards you, but it will take some time. Please wait. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 4. If you like this reading, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.